Chapter 8.6, we're solving equations in the form x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And the focused learning target is I can factor trinomials of that form, and I can solve equations of that form. The notes here outline a diamond method and a Xbox method. I'm only going to teach the diamond method because I feel like teaching both methods is going to be confusing. So what you do is you draw an X, and up here you are going to put the product of A and C. Right? Down here you're going to put the value B. Right? That's the coefficient of the x to the power of 1. And then you need to figure out what is a number f1 and another number f2 that multiply together to this number up here, yet add together to become the value b. Okay, and once you find f1 and f2, then everything is quite simple to write the factors of this expression. So let me go ahead and go over one example down here, and things should become quite clear. Okay, so we have this example. The expression is x squared plus 5x plus 6. So how do we set this up using the diamond method? Well, the a times c goes into this quadrant here. So a is 1, c is 6, 1 times 6 is 6. Right? So this is our a times c. Our b, the coefficient in front of the x, goes down here. Okay. Now what our problem is now is to figure out two numbers, f1 and f2, that multiply together to equal 6 and that add together to equal 5. Right? And so if you're thinking about it, well, 6 has a set of factors. It has 1 and 6, right? They multiply together to make 6. But 1 and 6 don't add up to 5. 1 and 6 add up to 6, right? 1 and 6 do multiply to 6, but they don't add to 5. So we can't use those. And then 6 has another set of factors. It has 2 and 3. Now 2 and 3 multiply to 6, and they add to 5. So those are the f1 and f2 that we're going to be using. Okay. So that's how we determine f1 and f2. Once we figure that out, all we need to do is write down our answer, like so. Parentheses x plus f1 are 3. Parentheses x plus our f2, which is our 2. Right? And we're done. All right. So remember, the diamond method, what do? We put a times c up here. We put b down here. And we need to figure out what are two factors of 6 that multiply to 6 and add to 5. That's going to be our f1 and our f2. Once we have these two values, f1 and f2, we can go ahead and put them right in there. Right? So it's going to be x plus f1 times x plus f2, and we are done.